Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Roblox Error Code 279. First, try refreshing the server. Sometimes the specific server you are trying to join has crashed or gone offline. Leave the current game and join a different Roblox experience to see if it works. If you only have problems with one game, close Roblox completely and launch that experience again. If another server is available, Roblox may automatically connect you to a working one. If the error continues, turn off any third-party VPN or custom network routing software. Some VPN services can interfere with Roblox or may be blocked by its security systems. The next fix is to reset your network settings. Open the Start menu, search for Command Prompt, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. Type the command ipconfig/flush DNS and press Enter. After it finishes, type netsh winsock reset and press Enter again. These commands clear the DNS cache and reset the Windows network stack, which can fix connection problems caused by corrupted network settings. Finally, restart your computer so the changes take effect. Thanks for watching.